Hey guys, I'm Allison. I'm the Pampered Wife. I have been gone for a little while. I just was feeling really lazy and took a break, and really that's where I've been. I haven't actually gone anywhere or done anything. I've eaten a lot, I've drank a lot. I've resolved to go on a diet every single day that I woke up, including today. I was so good. I got up, I made my egg substitute. It's called Just Egg. It's a mung bean paste. It's actually not as bad as it sounds, and it's not because I'm vegan that I eat that, but because I'm allergic to eggs. So I had that with some sauteed celery. Lunch, I had a salad, and I just had like 1 or 2 scoops of peanut butter in between. And then my husband comes to me and says, "Look, honey, I made one of your favorite drinks. It's a whiskey sour." He even put in a cherry for me. And well, I couldn't have that without the chocolate bar he got me, and so now that's gone too. So I thought it would be good to do a video to get me away from the food. I really need you guys to help motivate me. I've gained 10 pounds since COVID. Since March, I've gained 10 pounds, and I know I'm not alone, and it's amazing that I was able to in the sense of such a luxurious life. But that is not what I'm here to talk about today. We could do resolutions. I'd love to know what yours are and have some encouragement from you. I actually talk a lot about Petit Vour, which is this cruelty-free, vegan, clean beauty subscription box that I get every month. And I talk about a lot of the products, and I talk about the box. And I've never done an unboxing with you guys, so let me know if you enjoy this, if you'd want to see more in the future. This is actually the December box, but with the way mail carriers and, shipping has been lately, it's been pretty slow. So I usually get it more towards the beginning of the month, and today is December 29th, and I just got it yesterday. So I started to open it and then stopped because I decided to do this boxing. So it comes in this little box, totally recyclable. Just make sure you take the tape off because tape is not recyclable. And unless you buy this special tape, and I have some, I'll link one below that I actually got during the holidays to wrap gifts with. So they all come with this box that says, "Be bold, be kind, your cruelty-free beauty obsession starts here." So there are 2 different subscription boxes. This one is $18 a month, which is just fabulous because every box that's $18 comes with at least $50 worth of product. There's another box that's $25 a month, and that comes with at least $100 worth of product. So I've thought about doing that one. I just already have enough products and buy enough on my own that one comes with 5 to 7 products. This one comes with 4 to 6. I just don't need more, but I love it. It introduces me to new brands, new products, and some of them are really more high-end and great. Anyway, they all come with some artwork on the front of a card. This is actually one of my least favorite ones. Usually they're a lot more artistic or pretty, but it's winter, it's Christmas, so Merry Bright with the green and white, pretty simple snowflakes. And then on the back, they list everything that's included in the box and the dollar amount that each thing costs. So you can add it all up. You can see a little description of each product. So it looks like this month has 4 products in it, and I haven't totaled it yet because I just opened it. Of course I haven't totaled it yet. So let's see. And it always comes packed really nicely like a gift with the little confetti paper, also recyclable. And actually 4 things. So first thing I'm pulling out is this Audacité Pure Elements Synergy 4 Immediate Skin Perfecting Beauty Mask. It looks like it will draw out toxins to minimize pores and ensure a clear and blemish-free complexion, slough off dead skin cells to encourage fresh, healthy ones to the surface, fade and prevent brown spots to even out skin tone. Okay, yes, please. And provide the skin with the support it needs to stay firm and youthful. Well, that all sounds really good. So let's see what it says about it. This is $5.50 for the one mask, and it's a complete beauty treatment that delivers results after the very first application. So I'm guessing it's a powder in here. That makes me really happy. I really dislike sheet masks for 2 reasons. One, I don't enjoy wearing them. I know the whole world does except me. I seem to be really odd in some of these ways, but let me know if you're with me on that. I don't like sheet masks because they're cold. They always kind of fall down. They don't quite fit right around my eyes or my nose. You know, they stick up right here. Also, they're really wasteful. I just, you know, they're one-time use and they're just so wasteful. So I'm glad to see this is not a sheet mask. You add water. I'm sure you could also add your favorite toner, you know, squirt some of that in your hand with it. Apply a thin layer, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse off if it's gonna do detox, peel, brighten, and firm. The only thing it's not doing is moisturizing, but I can go in afterwards with a moisturizer. This next one is a Car Skin Soothe Cleanser. Okay, I love Acar, another high-end brand. Let's see what this one says. A car cleanser, this, you know, is obviously a sample size or trial size. It's $12. This satin-like cream cleanser contains plant proteins that are compatible with dermal cells, bringing high concentrations of amino acids that nourish and condition. All right, well, I have dry skin. I love a cream cleanser. I'll probably use it as a second cleanse after I go in with an oil cleanser to remove all my makeup and sunscreen. I love Acar's oils, which I was introduced to in a Petit Vour box, so I'm very excited about this. I would say Acar's oils compete with True Botanicals. Let me know if you guys feel the same way or what your opinion is on that, but that's been my experience. Relaxing top notes of citrus followed by the full-bodied essence of lavender and sweet benzoin. A luxurious satin-like cream that leaves the skin feeling soft and hydrated. Soothe Cleanser washes off completely without leaving an oily residue behind. Well, nobody wants an oily residue after they wash their face. Organic plant nutrients nourish while pumpkin and cranberry enzymes exfoliate dead cells on the skin's topmost layer with the aid of antioxidant lemon peel, making their way to a brighter complexion. It says suitable for normal, dry, and sensitive skin, so I'm really looking forward to trying this. Okay, next I have Habit, the ultimate multi-use creme color made with 75% organic ingredients. So this is a brand I'm not familiar with, Habit, and I cannot read it. I can a little bit. I usually have my little magnifying glass, but between my whiskey sour and my aging eyes, I'm just, let's see. Our highly pigmented multi-use color is super blendable and incredibly easy to use due to its high concentration of moringa oil, which is a great ingredient, an amazing antioxidant with moisturizing and anti-aging properties. This is one product you won't want to be without. Naturally infused with omega-3 and 6 fatty acids and vitamins A, B, and C to boot, pamper your lips, cheeks, and eyes with this gorgeous time-saving multitasker. Let's see. So this is $28, used for lips, cheeks, and eyes, buildable coverage, tint of bold color. Let's check it out. It looks like, what color do I have? Well, it just says Exhibit A down here, so I don't know if that's the color. Let's see. It also says high performance makeup that's as clean as it gets. And it does say vegan and cruelty free, which everything in this box is, as I've already mentioned. Okay, I really like the packaging. It's a glass container with an aluminum top. The aluminum top reminds me of the 100% pure blushes and bronzers and things because it comes in this rose gold colored aluminum, but so it's all recyclable. Super cute Exhibit A with the heart on the back. I wouldn't say it's scented. It has a nice kind of light smell, not scent. But it doesn't really have a scent, so I don't know what it smells like. But it looks like a nice color. Ooh, it's really smooth and soft. Quite a bit came off. I didn't press hard, just the warmth of my fingertips seemed to have done that. Let's swatch it. Oh my gosh, it's really beautiful. All right, I think this is really pretty. Let's see how it shears out. Wow, so I could definitely see using this on my lips. I don't know that I'd use this shade on my eyes, but it's not at all sticky I didn't rub it, I more just kind of smoothed it around, and it's not at all sticky, it's not tacky, it's really comfortable, and definitely pigmented. I think I'll just put a little bit on my cheeks right now, right? but a little bit, because I just touched that and that's what I got. So I'm going to, now of course I already have makeup on, including a powder blush, but that sheared out pretty nicely. I'm actually quite impressed. This could be a beautiful winter flush. And I'm not tugging, I'm just spreading, but again, it's on top of powder at this point. So, very nice. I'm trying to figure out if there's a sheen to it or if that's just my light. But I really like this packaging too. I could see holding onto this and refilling it. Really nice. And like I said, new brand to me. This is why I love this box. All right, the last item is another new to me brand. Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule, Spirulina and Blue Tansy. Well, those are two fabulous ingredients. Blue Tansy is all the rage right now, and Spirulina, oh my gosh, I remember having a good friend who took it internally in the, was that the early or mid 90s? It was probably 95. She took it internally, and she went on to win one of those shows on TV. I don't remember the show, but I just remember it was a boot camp on TV where you were chosen. I guess you tried out. She ended up winning it. Totally a side story. And they did a billion push-ups on this show. And she was not incredibly fit before, although she was very healthy. She totally won the whole thing. Anyway, she took Spirulina internally when none of us had ever heard of it. So, all right, let's see what this is. Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule is a lightweight facial elixir named for the treasured ocean blue botanicals she possesses. Spirulina, which is typically, it's an algae, so it's like a blue-green color, and Blue Tansy. She harbors concentrated adaptogenic botanicals that vigorously brighten and balance for an even, radiant complexion. An overachiever, she works at a deep level, optimizing skin's delicate microbiome to quickly and noticeably improve overall appearance of skin. Marina is also your best friend for a quick glow up. So it looks like you just apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning is needed, massage in, or you can add 2 or more drops to any other serum, facial oil, etc. Ooh, the first ingredient is green tea seed oil. Ooh, and then watermelon oil. So, it also has rosehip oil, blueberry seed oil, jojoba. Yeah, this has some excellent ingredients. I have never heard of it. Of course, plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, small batch made. It says it's good for all skin types and woman-owned. Let's see how much this baby is. Earth Harbor, $13, and clearly it's also a trial size. Named for the ocean blue. Well, we already read about it. I think we should smell it. Ooh, this is a great little container, jar, bottle, whatever I was gonna call it. Oh, 1% for the planet. You know who else does that is, I believe Aether Beauty also does the 1% for the planet. 0.3 fluid ounces. So yeah, you could hold on to this after you finish it and refill it with something else. It smells like Blue Tansy. I'm gonna put it on this hand. It's exactly what it smells like. If you know what that smells like, I don't know how to describe it to you. It is a bit watery, but still has some, I don't know if I'd call it slickness, but you feel a little bit of the oil. I mean, it does have all those beautiful seed oils and jojoba oil, but it's really thin. Thicker than water, but much thinner than an oil. Oh, and it smells lovely like Blue Tansy, and it's spread out beautifully, sinking in nicely, not too quickly, like it's definitely still there. That's gonna be nice. That'll be a nice addition, and I don't think I'd need to use a lot at a time, so I'm looking forward to trying this. Okay, that is all of the products in this month's, December's Petitvour box. I know this isn't airing till January. Yeah, it's probably gonna be January, just because New Year's Eve, and you know, I'm very busy. I don't know that I'll get this video up in time before the end of December, but you understand because you're busy at home doing nothing too. Yeah, I do blame my husband for the 10 pounds. If he weren't feeding me and making me drinks and all that, I probably would have only gained 5 pounds. Let's do the math. Okay, yeah, I need a pen. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna put it on the screen, okay? So we have this multi-use color for $28, the Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule for $13, and then we have the cleanser for $12, and the mask, which I probably could get more than one use out of, I'm thinking that is $5.50. Point being, I spent $18. I got over $50 worth of product. All of them I'm gonna use. 2 of them are new to me, which is half of the box. I just think it's a fabulous deal. So let me know what you think of these things. If you've tried any of these things, what you're doing for New Year's, even though now it will have been past. So let me know what you did for New Year's. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the ring bell notification, you know, all the things. I'd love to get a comment from you below. And in the meantime, I hope you make some time to pamper yourself today. Bye.